How we doing, my friends? We've got a Superstart AGM model 55003. Battery has gone DOA, and so make sure we're off, and we're going to show you how to get the battery out of this baby. I'm going to turn around to the back, and we're going to drop our cables out of the way. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws, and I already got them loosened down just to speed up our video a little bit. Be careful not to lose your parts. It's important to get all your screws back in to help keep dirt and moisture out. There's 3, 4. Number 5. This center lower one's down in a little deep. Be careful when you pull that little baby out. Okay, now we're gonna go down here, and there's 4 screws here that have to come out, and that'll allow these lower side panels to come off. There's one. There's our second one. And the panel slides out, and I'm going to put the screws into that panel. Turn it around to the other side. 2 more screws. That side panel will slide out. Now we're looking for the 2 hidden screws on the back. This one and this one. And this is the only way that you're going to find those 2 hidden screws. If you just go for the 6 and try to pull this panel off, it's not coming off. Now we got to take these 2 screws out next. There's one. And there's number 2. And voila, there she is. And we can see that this is a can't tell. It says a 13.6 volt battery, and I do not have this one in shelf, so I'm gonna have to order out for this one. But I'm gonna pull this tie down off. Being careful not to lose the screws. Okay, there we are. And now we can pull her back. Alright, so we're back and we got our lug off. Had to go for the wrench. Little wrench right here. This looks like a, give me a second, I'll tell you what size this is. It's a 5/16. Two 5/16 bolts, and the battery should slide out now. Yes, there it is. Okay, so there's our battery. And we're going to sort of clip everything back together again, and get myself a bin for my parts, so I don't lose them. Alright, there's my parts bin. Handle screws. Tie down pieces, back screws, and the back door. I'll leave the screwdriver with it, and we're going to leave a wrench with it. And that's it, folks. I'm going to get this battery ordered and we'll put it back together again. Thanks for watching. An instructional on how to take your Superstart AGM 55003 and open it up to replace the battery. Thanks for watching. Click that button down below, like and subscribe. Have a great day.